Living in New Orleans comes with a unique set of challenges, particularly when it comes to preparing for storm season. Known for its hurricanes, heavy rainfall, and high winds, the city requires homes to be equipped with features that can withstand extreme weather conditions. One of the most effective ways to protect your home is by investing in storm-ready windows. These specially designed windows offer enhanced durability and protection against the elements, making them a smarter choice for homeowners in New Orleans over traditional window options. Here's why more New Orleans homeowners are choosing storm-ready windows over conventional windows to safeguard their homes during storm season and year-round. Superior protection against extreme weather. Traditional windows, while adequate for regular use, are not built to withstand the intense conditions that accompany hurricanes, tropical storms, and heavy winds. These storms can bring flying debris, shattering glass, and water infiltration that can cause severe damage to your home. Storm-ready windows, on the other hand, are designed to handle these extreme weather conditions. They are typically constructed with impact-resistant glass, which is much stronger than standard glass and can withstand high winds and flying debris. Additionally, these windows are often reinforced with stronger frames and multi-point locking systems to prevent breakage and ensure the window stays intact during storm conditions. By choosing storm-ready windows, New Orleans homeowners gain the peace of mind that their windows will protect the interior of their homes from the elements, helping to reduce the risk of water damage, broken windows, and the need for costly repairs. Preventing water damage and infiltration. One of the most common problems during storms is water infiltration. When traditional windows break or fail, rainwater can easily enter your home, causing extensive damage to your walls, floors, and belongings. This can lead to long-term issues such as mold growth, structural damage, and expensive repairs. Storm-ready windows are specifically designed to prevent water from entering your home. The seals and weather-resistant frames on these windows help to keep water out, even during heavy rainfall. Many storm-ready windows are also equipped with water-resistant coatings that prevent moisture from seeping through, reducing the likelihood of water damage. By installing storm-ready windows, you are making an investment in long-term protection for your home. These windows will help ensure that your home stays dry, even during the worst of New Orleans storm season. Improved energy efficiency. Another benefit of storm-ready windows is their energy efficiency. Homes in New Orleans can be affected by extreme temperatures, with hot, humid summers and cool winters. Traditional windows may let air escape, causing your air conditioning and heating systems to work harder and leading to higher energy bills. Storm-ready windows, especially those with double or triple pane glass, are designed to provide better insulation. The air or gas between the panes serves as a barrier to prevent heat transfer, helping your home stay cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. This results in a more energy-efficient home and can lower your monthly utility bills. In addition, many storm-ready windows feature low-E coatings, which reflect heat from the sun, reducing the amount of heat that enters your home. These features make storm-ready windows a smart choice for energy-conscious homeowners looking to save on their energy bills. Reduced noise pollution. While New Orleans is known for its vibrant culture and lively atmosphere, the noise from traffic, construction, and local events can sometimes become overwhelming, especially if you live near busy streets or high-traffic areas. Traditional windows provide minimal soundproofing, allowing noise from the outside world to infiltrate your home. Storm-ready windows, however, offer better soundproofing thanks to their thicker glass and stronger construction. The multi-pane design, combined with impact-resistant glass, acts as an additional barrier against noise, creating a more peaceful living environment inside your home. Whether you're trying to relax, work, or sleep, storm-ready windows help reduce external noise, improving your overall comfort. Increased home value and curb appeal. Upgrading to storm-ready windows can also increase the value of your home. In a storm-prone area like New Orleans, prospective homebuyers will view the added protection of impact-resistant windows as a valuable feature. Not only do storm-ready windows provide safety, but they also enhance your home's aesthetic appeal. With a wide range of styles and finishes available, storm-ready windows can be customized to match your home's architecture and improve its overall curb appeal. Whether you're planning to sell your home in the future or simply want to improve its appearance, these windows are a worthwhile investment that can make your home stand out in the market. Lower insurance premium. Because storm-ready windows provide superior protection against wind, water, and debris, many insurance companies offer discounts on homeowners' insurance premiums for properties with these types of windows installed. Insurance providers recognize that storm-ready windows reduce the risk of storm-related damage, which in turn lowers the potential payout for claims. By investing in storm-ready windows, you could see a reduction in your insurance costs, further offsetting the initial installation cost of the windows. Conclusion: the smart choice for New Orleans homeowners. Given the unpredictable nature of storm season in New Orleans, storm-ready windows offer a level of protection, comfort, and efficiency that traditional windows simply cannot match. From safeguarding your home against flying debris and water infiltration to providing better energy efficiency and noise reduction, these windows are a wise investment for any homeowner in the area. Not only will they help protect your property during storms, but they can also enhance your home's value and increase your peace of mind. If you're ready to upgrade your windows, consider storm-ready windows to keep your home safe, comfortable, and secure during New Orleans storm season and beyond.